A girl should be two things. When I hear it, fabulous with full sets. Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oma. Today, I'm going to be telling you how we are going to be slaying this year 2020. This 2020 is not going to be about no, this year we are taking charge. If you can refer to my video of Happy New Year, you will know that this girl is not playing. And honestly, I'm not playing. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to go from 0 to 100 with your nails, guys. See these nails now. Are you not feeling it? Like, I am so obsessed with my hands that if I don't get my nails done, I'm like, what is wrong with me? I see now, no, honestly, guys, it is not good. It doesn't look. Forget the nails, forget the rings. The rings are great, yeah, but the nails are just it. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get good nails at home, cheap, easy, and fast. Funny thing is that nail business in Lagos or anywhere else is really a booming industry. Do you understand? And getting even the most basic nails can really be pricey depending on your budget. Imagine trying to fix a nail, an acrylic nail, and you're being charged like 5k and above. When I say I mean 5,000 naira, that means you're just charged for basic acrylic nails with one color. Crazy, right? Then maybe if you now do something crazy, have stones, have a bit of design, something like an ombre look or something, the prices just go from like 5k and looking at 10, 15, 20, 25, and it just keeps going on and on and on and on. So, and I know that some people like me are on the budget kind of line. Plus, I like to do it because it gives me an avenue to take care of myself, to treat myself, to think. And for girls, I would always advise that you take time out to just treat yourself. Go for a spa session, a steam room session. Just take care of yourself. Go for a massage. Just something that eases your body, that makes your body feel lighter. Just take care of yourself. Go for a facial, do something. And if you can do by yourself, good for you. Like me, when it comes to my nails, I am really particular. And when people start to do my nails, I'm like very finicky when they are doing it. I'm like, no, don't do this, you're hurting me. It can be annoying sometimes, yes, I know, but you can also do your nails at home, in the comfort of your home, and save yourself 5k. Imagine if you're doing nails for like 5 to 10k every month, yeah, and you start doing your nails yourself, so you save that money, yeah. Imagine how much you save if you're going to say like every month you have to do your nails. We need to have our nails touched up or done. Something should be done to our nails. Imagine saving 10k every month. Do you know how far you go? It's crazy, yeah? 5k to 10k. Let me just say basic nails, okay, 5k every month. Do you know how much you make at the end of the year? You can use that money and push it to shopping or buying something for yourself, or just treating yourself to a spa session, a massage, anything. Do you understand? So I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these nails in just minutes and seconds. By the way, these finger rings, I got them on AliExpress. Whew, it's so good, so beautiful, amazing, I know, right? So yeah, so if you want to know how I did this, please subscribe. I can't stand myself, and this is so pretty. And this also is something I love. It's so nice. But there's something I'm gonna tell you guys. I can't be wearing this color here, and now wearing this jewelry. It's not following. But this is original white gold. This one, I don't know. I like it. I don't know how far to go for me. I don't know. I'm hoping long enough, but like I said earlier, a girl should be two things. When I hear it, fabulous with full sets, Oh my guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me everywhere on Speaks, and of course leave a comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and ensure that you leave a comment down below so we can get chatting, discuss, and hook up. All right, no, link up. Let's link up, guys. Link up. Oh my god, see, my nails are so good. My nails are so good, guys. Like, I'm so jealous. I can't believe that these nails are on me. They're so cute, so pretty. I didn't want to get into details of how I achieved these nails.